Hello everyone, my name is David Kwok. I'm studying at the University of Science and Technology. My major is Electronic and Telecommunication. Today I want to tell you about 10 conversations. The conversation 1. The woman said to the man that she loved the way of the singer who has a nice sound to sing. The man agreed about that and he said he has on her recordings. The woman said that she hoped they can get some ticket for the singer's concert. The man confirmed that it shouldn't be difficult because he thought no one likes opera. The conversation 2. The man once asked if the telephone repair person come. The woman answered that not yet because the repair person would be there after lunch. The man too complained that they can't use their phone until then. The woman suggested just use his cell phone. The man once complained that he can't do it because the reception in there were terrible. The conversation 3. The woman complained that the service in that restaurant were very slow. The man agreed about that and he hoped they waitress coming soon because he was very hungry. The woman complained again that the waitress didn't even bring us their drinks and she said she couldn't give her a tip. Finally, the man suggested the woman should give her a change. The conversation 4. The woman once said she was planning to give a test the first day of school. The woman too disagreed about that because she doesn't thought they accurately measured a student's performance. The woman once said if her student hear that they want to go to the woman too class. The conversation 5. The woman asked the man that what time the accountant is coming that afternoon. The man answered that as soon as the accountant finished their task form. The woman said she hoped the accountant add the numbers correctly that time. And she complained about the accountant because on the mistake he took on their last tax filing. The man suggested they should get a new tax accounting because they couldn't afford to keep that one. The conversation 6. The man suggested to the woman that she should eat less and exercise more. The woman disagreed about that because she didn't like that. The man explained that he wanted her to be healthy because he is her physician. The woman disagreed about that because she would like to eat and rest. The conversation 7. The man asked to the woman hurry up because the taxi was there. The woman wanted the driver wait a few minutes. The man said he hoped the driver doesn't put the matter on because it was expensive enough to take a cab. The conversation 8. The woman asked the man that if she get any phone message. The man answered that yes and explained the mechanic called it to say he will finish to repair on her car. The woman was so happy about that and she said she would pick it up after the technique lesson that afternoon. The man recommended that he would give her a ride to there. The conversation 9. The man said to the woman that the painter were coming on that Wednesday. The woman was so happy about that and she asked to the man that to tell them by painting a back office. The man disagreed about that because he would be out of the office on day that Wednesdays. The woman said her too and asked the man that what can they do. The man suggested someone will be at the front desk, and the woman agreed about that. The conversation turned. The woman asked the man if he played with the CD orchestra. The man answered that that's true, and he said he played the violin. The woman said, see here, he will have a concert at the stadium next week, and she would like to him get her some tickets. The man disagree about that because all of their performance was so loud. Thank you for listening.